Ebusiam fan kokopia mu ewo Ashaman de anachete say de esi wo no enya asem keto amene wo ka say NDC form mu Ashaman de ba betu dia say His Excellency John Dramani Mahama bo share na wo share mu no enya no nie omo se bo share obegina Ashaman anade whatever Ashaman yes e share omo no enya no mo hu na wo ka na me say ye ka wontie de bi na wo be hu ka wie no no ye ka wontie be ba ka kira mo say believe in John Dramani Mahama at your own risks. Believe in John Dramani Mahama at your own risks. But you guys were saying that I didn't know what I was talking about. Now afena musum ebuso ko kopia mu Ashaman de Ashiamanfuo say time na MPP aban no ho no mo to mo yie omo timi ye de mo pe bia ton ade o pavement so na obi ampa mo na mo no enda omo nka so ma ban John Dramani Mahama aka Eeii aka Bole Bamboy John Bosco e ba ye no omo say o ma fi omo ankasa na okadafo no kura na mo hye me mo bon aw omo se Mahama ka kito omo se oba oba legalize okada de mama ye adwuma fili afei de oba ya say na nya no a political talk say na ya 419 say na ya tro na wo de nam almost say na de okay ni na no you'd never you knew say you were never going to do it, but because of say na wo pay to me nti wo da omo na omo wira ho papa almost free education no ekufa de wo mpo na omo kwa omo say free but oba ye de enye free biom ha Ghana Nsem TV midin amejeso any promise no baba we mako kutie nsem a Ashaman market women men any Ashaman resident ni okada foda to dwa no area
menen kwato ye mpanifo no mu se ha na ye wo no enye se ye tumi kasante ye okay o ye brepa ye ni okay sa even though MPP cover power na ye power mpo no mu ma efili na ye power na ba power no e na mu ma ye bresa e di se Mahama FSHS bi Ashaman ha no omu ye no ma okay man a okay bia ni ko we ho man because election time na ko we ho e ha na e wona time so ye fa bus ye de kwato aba enti so Mahama FSHS bi Ashaman ha no e ye okay a di na ya ye na epese be kasa enti mesrem penifo no mo wo around no omo se youth na wa ha no ye bre omo support ye kakra let me ye business me de kakra
MPP amakuro no e ka onko wo de omo be ba power bi mana
oh MPP omo so na memu no mu yade but omo no na wo ko school a won hwehwe atase ba free education ba we no ba no wo do be ko school e wo do amu si twese wo do amu si twese nti maka se MPP ye wo school afemen MPP be ye wo school afemen
free education omo yade nti apart from free education e ka onko a wo de omo be ba bi mana
omo ba ye pe
be vote omo aba bi
me dem ye MPP ni mo me dem ye NDC ba sadia Mahama olba na o ka se offense oba bibia be ye free na asisa anyema mu eguso ya den no na ha be kakra
eti ebusu ya nsem wa chesa Ashiamanfuo de atoja na me kokotie e de ba ye na kire se ya awra wo sem ankasa se wankasa wa banyaba na wankasa o experience this kind of hardship e kire wo se abatu ameka kire wo se won sanso no yes no crane did abatu no e won sanso nti se wo koto aba na wo hu nipa wo to aba ma na sanse nipa obeyi no ono na wa bedi wodim se obeye yi ana wonye yi se o man na wo tim no obebre ana won bre no ni nyina ejina sa panyini a obeyi ni se omba bedi o man no enemu edute meka kire wo se mpempen se wo koto aba de kan hwe wasetem na pato aba na koto aba 2024 no hwe wasetem mu ana de bi wan hwe wasetem no koto aba boni edi ma nipa boni te se John Dramani Mahama onje ne timamufuo ho ono nkasa ne kuro mu na eniema es na timamufuo ne bre na komdi omo na wo se duane no koma Sudan fo ukuro mu bre ukuro mu fosun na wo se duane koma different country sa na John Dramani Mahama aka John Bosco sa not here aka Eeii sa not here. He doesn't care about you people. Now you people are now complaining say free education no Mahama time dey enye free na call the time mom na free da bi na mo kasa Mahama no na obeyeden someone who told you say over 2 million Ghana cedis on fa in investing in free education or say if he John Dramani Mahama over 2 billion Ghana cedis will you invest all in education so that even when people can pay they will not pay? Or say he's not going to do that. John Dramani Mahama can say don't vote for a politician. Or say, Nana do Danko to say, obey free education is a whimsical promise of a desperate politician. Many countries have tried this and failed. See, he said that even if Ghana implemented their friend free senior high schooler, it's going to take us 20 good years. 20 good years. And you believe in this person, so no baby any year. Because he told you so about Obama headmaster ska. Headmaster akudum was a meto upon 2 city. We let 3 city. Now let's have a new idea. You believe in this cook and boo story. Cook and boo story. You believed in this story. I'm told us for 2 Obama John Dramani Mahama. And today, you want to come and complain to us, saying, what do you want us to do, bro? What do you want us to do? We can't do anything about this, so I'm telling you, we can't do anything about it. Because we told you people and you did not listen. So what do you want us to do, bro? We can't do anything. We can only complain, but we can't do anything. He's the president, for Christ's sake. And he's going to be the president till 2029, January 7th. So what do you want us to do? What? You can't say sometimes you people are so stubborn to the extent say we will tell you that the person that you are trying to vote for, no, he is not the person you guys think he is. And you guys, you were calling us names. You were calling us names. You were insulting us here and there, thinking say you were doing the right thing, not knowing that you guys were making a big mistake. And today, look at what is happening. Look at what they are telling you. After I will say a palm, and the free pavement. I came to that place. I remember I came to that place and I told you guys, bro, we himself the NDC is strong. You guys have been voting for the NDC since who knows? But this time around, you guys should change. We are more voting because the NDC is not going to help you guys. No. We will still vote for them. And I'm like, all right, I don't care. Yes, I don't care. And you went ahead and voted for them, and now you want to come and complain to us for us to do what? Bro, go and sit somewhere. Or lie, go and sit somewhere. Or lie, go and sit somewhere. We didn't force you guys. We didn't force you. So keep quiet and suffer. You've not seen anything yet. Eyezu. Ebusuya, by now the NDC for no ebuefu Mutaka Mubarak. Esan say, send the way see expose you on the party NDC no. Excess Mutaka or your pepe niya or kano crampa. I don't know my pepe in India minus so no. That's a Christopher no kano cre. One will send your kano credit on the party for him says Sena Savidu. I bet trying to untroba SMB before to send in your clue. Send it to 2 on the NDC for 2 to ye. Tien someone Mutaka Mubarak MP for us was saying in minister.
In the Savulgu northern region. The observation of the task force is that there was no confrontation between MPP and NDC supporters before the shot was fired into the crowd. However, NDC supporters were jubilating and firing gunshots and throwing firecrackers. Again, it was established without doubt that the bullet that killed the deceased, Samira Zakaria, was a shot from a high-velocity rifle. The same bullet also caused injuries to other 3 persons.
Number 1, there was no confrontation between the MPP and the NDC. Now, number 2, NDC for the L222, no jubilate. See, there was no confrontation between the NDC and the MPP. I'm making it MPP ni NDC akasaka sabia nkoso wo montem na mmom na ye NDC fo na omujumu ni omosantu tutu edeka ho enti no saye to na eka obi mani prayer na so owuye no eyeto na NDC fo to no ade bi ekoka no enti NDC fo na chese motututu no won se akopon yi moto won se yakopon ayi moto bi ka kire wo se won se mo ye wadwen se na mo pese mo be kan nsem ma MPP ni begu ase a yakopon won obema mo nkasa mo ni mo gu ase won se sia no ye won se mo na chese mo twa mo ye bibia won se mo ni mo gu ase I mean suya mo kan justice for Ransford no eya peke ka say eya peke o comment section informa me no ka say Ghana Police Service issue communique ewo eye on Facebook wall na ma me ne nwura communicate ne mu ne yenkenkan ne ma ewo mu it was say press release police update on the death of Ransford Owusu Ansah Jr., footballer of Siano Soccer Academy. The homicide unit of the Ghana Police Service is investigating the circumstances surrounding the death of Ransford Owusu, a 16-year-old boy who was allegedly, abused by a coach at Siano Soccer Academy in Accra. Preliminary investigations have established that after the death of Ransford Owusu Ansah in February 2025, his mother, Ama Asantua, reported to the Amasaman police station that her son, who used to be a junior footballer at the Siano Soccer Academy, had fallen ill and died on 28 February 2025. She indicated to the police that before her son's demise, he had confided in her that his coach, Anyas Ibrahim, had abused him. The case was subsequently taken over by the homicide unit of CID, the headquarters, on 4th November 2025. Suspect Anyas Ibrahim was arrested to assist the investigation. He was interrogated. His statement was taken and later granted bail to be reporting at the CID headquarters. A review of the medical reports so far submitted by the deceased mother from the Konfanochi Teaching Hospital and the Maternal and Child Health Hospital, Children's Hospital, Kumasi, suggests that the deceased was treated for liver and kidney related conditions. Efforts are ongoing by the police to obtain the deceased medical reports from the Konfanochi Teaching Hospital and Maternal and Child Children's Hospital, Kumasi, for confirmation, since both facilities has provided medical care to the deceased prior to his demise. Accordingly, a court order has been secured to be served on both hospitals since earlier formal requests for reports had been declined. Meanwhile, following a viral video involving suspect Ibrahim and the minor in a compromising situation, police have extended investigation into the matter, and we would therefore like to urge all persons with any credible information that can assist the investigation to contact the homicide unit at the CID headquarters or the nearest police station. Grace Ansah Akrofi, Deputy Commissioner of Police, Director General, Public Affairs, and as somebody about Bonti and just a say, Omo kwa J in Krata at the free a Yokofanoti Teaching Hospital now for Maternal and Child Health Hospital, Children's Hospital Kumasi. Na omo enya more evidence send a bay betimi prosecute a year coach Ibrahim Anyas so say has on fan kwase anko. It's an update time in Saka Ghana Police said about one thing I'm so made media blood into the justice for Ransford the Egusu a ekoso ache se nema no Egusu gidigidi a me bon pass bibia no ebe come na come so ewo me da so nyanto bo say na wotie me justice for a year Ransford. Ebusuya, it is only in the NDC no meeting be catch dey say your machine bi asame jenfia kofa ba machine no ebetimi atrake say gold wey out the bramin anya bia say a free illegal mine friend say galamsey ho ana say free small scale miner ho mebusa o machine no beye de hu say gold wey aye de free asase na se aworo ho achi akabo mo bi akogold bia ka say achi a ya chi gold na keka bo mo na beye kokuruwa say amana bedu gold board ho no mo no machine beye de hu say gold wey no to gold no na galamsey na say eye small scale miner chale ni pa dwi ni form o de tiensem a Dr. Aye edituja
It's mama answer. Ya get 2 minutes nyina de amago. It's mama answer. Ah, o last Ashiamanfuo. It says galamsey for no on gold o mton ma ha.
Galamsey for omuton gold. They will go and buy, they will go and sell it to licensed buyers.
Let us say licensed buyers ne galamsey for
gold. E de gold ebe say. Entra sa untra manage wo. The gold board dey say omo de technology biaba. I'm told they said it was supposed to be launched last month.
Okay.
Your friend with traceability.
Okay.
Traceability nature say. Udu gold ne bar. The licensed gold buyer no can trace where you got the gold.
Which made the chira ko baby are the
Baby,
free.
say udi free.
Master planner Junior Kintampofa tell the tire to stop peddling falsehood. There is no any machine called traceability machine that Gold Board has brought in to check whether the gold is from proper place or not. But the Mahama in a speech accepted the fact that they cannot separate a gold from
Etebusia, on entrone or NDC for me catch on a. You see, how on earth can you tell me this story? I've been telling you guys, so who believe in the NDC? You believe in them at your own risks. You believe in the NDC at your own risks. I've been telling you guys this. How can you tell me this story, bro? How can you tell me this story? But yes,